is Joe Curd. I'm an EDM 310, University of South Alabama, and I'm going to give you a short intro on how to use the Smartboard. Okay, first off, you have to do is push this button down here to turn it on, and we're just going to wait for it to come on. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to orient the screen. Hit orient, and all you do is follow the little targets all the way around. Next we're going to type, and you can either push this little keyboard button on this side of the board, or you can push the one that's right down here. I'm just going to hit that, and I am just going to type my name. Okay, I typed my name. Here's my name. Okay, and you can either do text that way, or you can pick up the pens that are right down here, or you can write that way. Just write my name again. There's my name, and then to erase it, you just pick up this eraser and erase. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do an object, and there's a little circle and square button up here, and we're just going to do a circle. You tap on a circle, and we just expand it out like this. So to keep from doing another circle, we're going to hit this arrow again. And then we're going to tap on the circle, and we're going to change the color of it. Here to fill this up, and we're going to do blue. Okay, and now that we have a color in it, we can also use this circle to cover things up, like where I wrote my name. We can cover it up, so whenever you're teaching a class, you can type things on the board ahead of time, and if you ask questions, you can have the answers or something underneath the circle and reveal it after somebody has already answered to show the correct answer. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to do is, well, we're going to get rid of this. We're going to get rid of this first, so we're going to hit this little arrow and we're going to hit delete. Next, we're going to do an object animation, so we're going to come up here to fill picture image. We're going to hit pictures, and we're going to pick one out. We're going to do these frogs. Okay, now we have these frogs, and we can do this thing called infinite cloning. You hit the little arrow, you hit infinite cloner, and all you do is tap on it and drag it out, and you can make as many copies as you want. And then to get rid of them, you just delete it. Okay. I'm just going to delete the original copy too. Okay. Okay, that wasn't supposed to happen. Okay. We're just going to delete that. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to pull up Google Chrome. And we're just going to come down here and click on that. Okay, and we're going to show how to save an ink layer. We're just going to pick up a pen and up here on this page, and I'm just going to write my name again. And put the pen back down. And on this page, we're just going to click on the image and hit Save Ink. And it takes a picture of it. And then we're just going to close the ink layer. Okay, close the ink layer. We're just going to minimize Google Chrome again. And pull this back up. And here it is on our notebook screen again. And you can just save it, hit File, Save As, and you just type in whatever you want and hit Save. But we're just going to cancel it for this purpose, and we're just going to delete it. So the next thing we're going to do is add a multimedia image, and we just go back up here to this little picture,